I know.
Whoa.
We got.
Okay, and we're recording.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, guys. Please subscribe and comment who we're going to get. It's going to be
They don't
fun.
even know what we're doing yet. How are you gonna...
We're doing the Treasure X Hunt Challenge.
It's a little better.
We're gonna get fire or ice.
Okay, so what are we doing?
We're doing a Treasure X Hunt.
Treasure X, fire versus ice.
And
Let's see. We were at Walmart the other night, and we actually watched a video of another channel that I follow, and they did this, and we thought we should try it because it looked fun. But basically, it is a Treasure X, fire versus ice.
yes,
And hold on, Treasure X, fire versus ice. And there's 10 levels of adventure. You've got to remove the tool, discover your quest. Let's see, what's the other one? Peel, open the top. Add water to erupt. Find the key, peel to reveal. Carve out the beast, crack open the meteor. Did you find real gold dipped treasure? Display your beast. 6 large beasts to collect. So, we're gonna do this, and you guys are gonna come on this journey with us. You ready?
yes.
Okay, let's open it.
You guys, it's also presented by Moose Toys, and
It is.
Moose Toys creates.
Moose. I saw the logo. Yeah, Moose Toys right here created it.
And there's our lovely Fred the barcode over there.
The people that we watch always point out the barcode. Turbo Toy Time. They always point out the barcode, so he likes to do it as well.
If Turbo Toy Time is watching this, they should like and subscribe.
I don't know if they're gonna watch, but that would be cool.
If Turbo Toy Time subscribes, if you guys out there are Turbo Toy Time, let us in the comment section.
Let's see. Okay, so
I know what we're going to get.
is this our little? It's a volcanic island. Here we go.
And show him the different kinds.
I will.
Show her them.
I'm showing him the map first.
YouTube.
Okay, instructions to your quest for treasure. Find the X tool, which is this.
It's like a sword or something.
It does. It kind of does look like a sword.
Hiya.
Hold on, okay.
YouTube. It's very
There you go.
difficult.
That is our tool, if it's going to focus. Hold on, bud.
It's never gonna focus. Do
There we
you
go.
see that, YouTube?
Okay, hold on. We'll get there.
I see it.
You can look at it, just don't do anything with it yet.
It looks like a sword. I'm pulling a mini
place
sword.
on a plate and peel. Oop, I gotta go grab a plate. Hold on a minute. Talk to YouTube.
Yo guys, if you guys comment, if any YouTubers that I have been following, like Jelly or anybody else that are watching this video, please comment or subscribe or do whatever you gotta do, guys. Basically just do everything.
Okay, I've got a
Subscribe?
paper plate.
Thank you.
Okay.
Now we can.
Alright, place plate and peel the top of the volcano.
I'll peel it.
Okay. Hold on.
YouTube, I think what we got is very happy.
Okay, so see this
3.
little tab right there?
You guys are gonna be shocked.
Can you get it? You need some help?
I can really do it. With my
Okay.
It's,
Just wait.
I found
You don't
my
just
key.
hold on.
You know what's inside? The key.
It's really hard to see.
The key to adventure.
Here, let's just do this.
YouTube.
Come on, Gabe.
There's the key.
There's a key in there. All right, let's put this back. Hold on, Gabe.
We're grabbing the key out.
Hold on.
As you guys can see, it's tiny. It's pretty tiny. Our dog,
Okay.
Rocket over here, he
Okay,
likes
so
things that are tiny.
hold on. Place on a plate. Okay, so first we have to fill water. It says do not remove the key yet. So we have to put water in it. Okay, here we go.
I know.
Oh, oh. Whoa.
We got ice.
Whoa, hold on. Do we have to keep filling it?
Yes. More water. We got ice, guys. It's shocking.
Hold on. Still coming. Let's just add some more water.
Yeah, guys, we got ice.
Oh, there's the key. Okay, can we grab watch the volcano erupt? Did you get lava or ice? We got ice. So we're gonna remove this and hold on, Gabe.
We are going to clean up after this.
Let's see. Let's just go ahead and dig all this out. Okay.
I'm using my hands.
We're gonna have to wash our hands after this.
Hey, you know there's a bottom part.
I know. That's what we're doing right now. Let's see. Turn the volcano over and peel off the foil seal.
Ah, my hands are getting cold.
Okay. Is it cold?
No.
Okay.
It's actually not ice. It's actually just slime.
My hands are all sticky and slimy.
Can I help?
You need a paper towel?
Help? Okay.
Okay, hold on. This one's gonna be hard too.
I'm gonna do 3, 2, 1.
Whoa.
Which piece
Hold
did we get?
Hold on.
We got ice.
Whoa.
Do we have to? Ugh.
Hold on. Don't do anything yet. Wait, Gabe.
Yeah. We got ice, guys.
It looks like we got.
Ice.
It looks like we got one of these guys.
No, we got him.
Nuh-uh. Are you sure? Because look, they have like these little horns at the top. See? So it looks like we got.
Ice.
Well, they know we got ice, buddy. But look. Oh, sorry. Hold on.
We
Buddy.
kind of got the one
Oh wait.
that I wanted.
Hold on. Turn it over and remove. So we gotta go like this. Whoa. Hold on.
There's a meteor.
Hold on, Gabe. Say use.
I'm gonna cut up a Jello pizza.
Hold on, buddy. Use the 4 sides of the X tool to carve away the volcano and reveal what's inside.
Cut it open. Cut.
Is it hard to cut?
No.
Can I try?
Not pretty hard. Not hard at all.
Hold on. Oh, hold on. Let's see if we can do this a better way. Hold on, Gabe.
We did. Let's just cut this open and like take it out. Ooh, we did. You're right, Daddy. Aww.
We got the gold chill. That's cool.
That's rare. Cool.
Hold on.
And it comes with a little minifig.
This is weird. Look at this.
Oh, can I have it? I want to squish it. Okay, that's so hard to
It says
squish.
use all 4 sides, so let's use all sides.
Can I help? Can I help with that?
Here.
Let's do it. Yeah. I'm gonna get the meteor.
Hold on. Can we set this off to the side for now?
No.
Well, hold on. Let's get this guy out first. Gabe, please.
Okay.
Gabe, not yet, buddy. Just wait. We'll get it.
Let's just put him together first. I think we have some building to do.
Oh, there's his head. His head looks really cool. Show it to YouTube.
YouTube,
Put down here.
This is the head. and pretty much it's not cool.
Let me see. What? I think it's cool. Look at it.
It is. But you can fit other Treasure X characters on there, see?
That looks so cool. And then here's the body. Whoop, there's a little... Okay, and then we snap this together like this.
I got the key.
Hold on, buddy. Gabe, hold on, bud.
Can I show YouTube the meteor? The meteor also comes
Then
up,
this
right?
is...
The meteor.
Yes, this is the meteor, and there's a treasure inside of the meteor.
Whatever it is.
And we have to use this
Key
this
to open
key.
it.
Oh, maybe.
Or matching shirts.
We do have matching shirts. We'll show them in a minute.
My mom made this, so give a big shout out to Mom for making this video. For Moose Toys actually sponsored this.
No, they didn't. Okay. Here, I cracked it open, so you wanna...
3, 2, 1.
What is that?
A gem!
It's an arrowhead of ice.
So I can put this.
Where does that go?
I don't know.
Let me see.
Put random.
Let me see if there's a certain spot for it or not. Oh, wait, let me see.
Well, where's it go?
I think it goes right here.
So you can collect
That's
this.
our treasure that we got. The arrowhead. Whoop, I dropped it. The arrowhead of ice.
We'll have lots of fun with this Jello.
It does remind me of Jello.
Peace.
This is our planet or Treasure X treasure. It's really cool.
It would be cool if we got ice, fire, but
Yeah, we'll just have to buy another one. Hold on. We'll have to buy another one.
my hypothesis was right.
You're a turd.
I'm waiting for you to have a response.
Okay. Well, here's the key. Make sure we don't lose that. Put these over here for now. Okay.
It looks like half like cat and like half elephant.
I mean, it
Half
isn't.
skeleton.
It's a
Elephant.
elephant, yeah.
But why? Wait, you can. Wait, we got the gold one.
Yeah, we got the gold one. That's what I said. We got the
We got
gold.
a
We got the
razor,
gold.
guys.
See, these were the possible beasts that we could get in the ice beast, and we got this one, the gold chill, and then there's this raptor one. Then there's another woolly mammoth. The
And-
fire ones look cool. We'll have to get a fire one.
You guys really need to buy the Treasure X toys. They're very fun. They're very creative.
It is fun.
If it's rainy outside, go play outside. If it's not,
but
if it is, do
we
something
bought this from
creative.
Walmart, and it was like $14-15. It was really fun for what you got. And they do have a smaller version for like $8, I think. But I recommend getting the big one just because it's fun to do. And like I said, it's got all these little adventures you can do.
Or you can buy the mini one and see what you get, and you can have a battle if you ever buy the big one.
Yep. But now we have a mess to clean up, so we're gonna end the video. So if you guys like this video, be sure to
subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss a video. Click on that bell or smash it in the face if you have to.
What day do we upload?
Every Sunday,
Yep,
every day basically.
Not every day, just every Sunday. I upload a video every Sunday. Every once in a while I have a video with my son Gabe. And again, if you did like this video with Gabe in it, let me know and I'll be sure to feature Gabe in more of the videos.
Those toys will be the link in the description down below.
Yeah, I can find a link for the toy and put it down below. Again, this is not sponsored. Moose did not send this to us. We bought this from Walmart to do for fun and make a video of it. But
Moose Toys did create it.
Moose Toys did create it, but they did not send it to us.
If
But
they would,
it was a fun thing to do. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next Sunday. Thanks, guys.
Can I play with this? Peace to the out. Peace to the cleanup. Out.
He loves Turbo
And
Toy
good.
much.
Bye.
He loves Turbo Toy Time way too much. Thanks, guys. See ya. Get close to me, make a shocked face, like, look at the camera, though, okay? Okay.
I was keeping